PowerSecure, putting experience and expertise to work. PowerSecure has 2 gigawatts of installed microgrid capacity, representing 85% of the market share. We serve customers nationally. Our biggest multi-site deployment is made up of 840 facilities that we monitor 24/7. And our largest single-site setup generates 25 megawatts of power, offering resiliency, reliability, emissions reductions, clean energy, and economic value. We have been monitoring and servicing our deployments for more than 15 years, both for routine maintenance and storm response, giving us unparalleled insight into the systems that stand the test of time. This means that only PowerSecure has the level of expertise, experience, and track record you can trust to bring your microgrid project to life. How do we make it happen for you? Now you can learn firsthand by visiting Microgrid 360 at the PowerSecure campus. Through our 360 experience, you'll learn about our team's microgrid expertise in Tier 4 final engines and emissions, renewables and storage options, switchgear and project implementation, demand-side tools and energy efficiency options, as well as market-specific interconnection and economic value optimization capabilities. The PowerSecure campus is itself a microgrid, so many of the functions can be demonstrated on-site.
PowerSecure has an incredible 85% of market share. Not only does this mean that they've seen it all, but they've essentially built our nation's distributed grid from the ground up. That's the kind of expertise and strategic partnership that every large energy customer needs as we build the future of energy. Welcome to PowerSecure's Microgrid 360, where we design, build, implement, and manage microgrids on behalf of thousands of large customers and utilities across the United States.
We look forward to hosting you and your team at the PowerSecure campus.